see, my lord, a completely evil White Ranger, devoid of pathetic human traits.
Zeltrax, you have done well.
Oh, I hate to admit it, but even I'm impressed.
So tell me, what is your plan?
Allow me to demonstrate. Using a sample of the White Ranger's cloned energy will allow me to create a being of unparalleled terror. I give you the White Pterosaurus.
Excellent. Trent Mercer may have promised not to betray his father, but he is, after all, human. And no human can be trusted. I must strike before his sense of right and wrong outweighs his sense of loyalty.
Aha! Testing 1, 2, 3. You, the elite egg carrier crew, are here today to hear a very special announcement. Behold! It's a tailed frog! Very unique. This frog is absolutely vital to my plans. I command you to locate this frog immediately! You hear me? I don't care what it takes to get it. Just bring it to me! We haven't got time to waste, so come to attention!